The moment we saw the original Avata, we knew it was a stepping stone. A whisper of what was possible. Now, the whispers are screams. What I'm about to show you, what my sources deep within the manufacturing facilities have confirmed, is not just a new drone. It is a complete, uncompromising fusion of cinematic FPV and total immersive reality. The DJI Avata 360. Stop everything. Turn up the volume. Because the secrets I have pieced together are the reason this device was almost delayed. They are the reason every other FPV setup, every other 360 camera, is about to become a toy. This isn't just about flying, it's about breaking the walls of your perception. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. And you need to hear every single detail. The number one question, the one DJI refused to confirm, is the camera system. Forget the single lens. The Avata 360 is deploying a dual lens, fully stabilized capture array, seamlessly integrated into the duct design. This isn't just two cameras strapped on. This is a single optical unit calibrated at the factory for zero parallax and immediate stitching. The true secret. Each lens is a 1-inch sensor, capable of recording 6K 360-degree footage at 60 frames per second, directly to the drone's onboard, high-speed SSD. This is unprecedented image quality for an FPV platform. What this means for you is cinematic, post-stabilized 360 content that rivals ground-based professional rigs, all while flying through a gap the size of a window. The footage is so clean, so sharp, it will make you question what is real and what is rendered. The biggest fear with FPV has always been control. Crashing is inevitable. Until now. The Avata 360 introduces a new level of environmental awareness that DJI tried desperately to keep under wraps. Predictive Obstacle Mapping, POM. This system uses 4 additional, low-power optical sensors to create a real-time, high-fidelity 3D map of the environment 15 meters ahead of the drone, even in manual mode. It's not just detecting obstacles, it's predicting flight paths through them. If you try a gap too small, the goggles will flash an urgent, pre-visualized, collision path warning. It is the first FPV drone that says, "I know you want to crash, but I won't let you." This AI-driven safety net opens up extreme flight paths previously reserved only for elite pilots. It's the drone that trains you while you fly. The Goggles 3 are not just an accessory, they are the interface to this new reality. The biggest leak confirms the integration of dual micro-OLED screens with a staggering 1080p resolution per eye and a 120 Hz refresh rate. But the key is the field of view. We are talking about a 150-degree horizontal field of view, delivering a truly peripheral immersive experience. They've also solved the latency problem. The new O4 transmission system pushes a cleaner, higher bitrate feed to the goggles with a sub-10 millisecond delay. The moment you put them on, the real world fades, and the drone's perspective becomes your own. This isn't just watching a feed, it's being the drone. This seamless, zero-lag experience is the core reason the 360 camera system works so perfectly. The flight time of the original Avata was its major weakness. The 360 fixes this with a completely redesigned battery technology. We're moving to an